To fix a Frigidaire freezer not freezing but the fridge is cold. Start by checking the freezer temperature setting to ensure it is set correctly. The ideal temperature for a freezer is between 0 and 5 degrees Fahrenheit. If the setting is correct, proceed to check the freezer door seal for any signs of damage or wear. A damaged seal can cause warm air to enter the freezer, preventing it from freezing properly. Next, inspect the freezer drain for blockages. A clogged drain can cause ice to build up and prevent the freezer from functioning correctly. Check the evaporator fan for proper function, as a faulty fan can disrupt airflow and prevent the freezer from freezing. Verify that the fridge and freezer are not overloaded, as this can reduce airflow and prevent the freezer from functioning correctly. Also, check the fridge and freezer for any blockages or obstacles that may be restricting airflow. If none of these steps resolve the issue, check the defrost timer and thermostat for proper function. A faulty defrost timer or thermostat can prevent the freezer from freezing. Finally, if all else fails, it may be necessary to replace the compressor or contact a professional for further assistance. Throughout the troubleshooting process, remember to always unplug the appliance before making any repairs to avoid injury or damage. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your Frigidaire freezer not freezing but the fridge is cold. Regular maintenance and checks can help prevent future issues and ensure your appliance continues to function correctly.